And we're back with my mold. Now I'm just going to type this and then make some space. Look at all those colors. The smell's really coming through. Awesome. And I wanted to do this soap because specifically I realized I don't have any blue soaps, and blue's actually my favorite color, so it only makes sense to do a blue soap. And just pat this down. It's already kind of thick, but we got the swirl in time, so that's okay. It's okay if it's thick. And I haven't done a texture top in a while, so I'm gonna do that one for this. Do that for this soap. I'm just scrape the last out of this bucket with the help of my spoons. We don't like to waste here. I'm so excited to cut into this soap because it just looks so pretty already. Can't wait to see what the in the pot swirl looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to scrape out the rest of the colors. Oops. So that's what the top looks like after I put up all the extra stuff. I've already pounded it down. Now I'm just gonna texture the top. Looks good to me. I'm gonna come back with some glitter. That's a little too much. Right in the center, I don't know if you saw that. I had like a whole big And the glitter just like fly off my spoon. It's okay, I can glue it off. And just by adding the glitter, I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it's really like transformed the way the top looks. It just looks so pearly and pretty. Don't get me wrong, this is definitely a unisex scent, but I mean, with a name like Dancing Waterfall, you definitely need some glitter. Okay, and that's good. By the time this video goes up, this soap should be up on my Etsy site for pre-order, so look out for that. But I'm recording this on March 6th, and I'm not planning to put it up for a while, so it'll most definitely be up by then. Alright, well that was Dancing Waterfall. Stay tuned for a cutting video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.